Do you ever feel constantly tired, bloated, or like your body just isn't functioning at its best? That may be a signal that your detox systems are under strain. But here's the truth. Your body is already a powerful detox machine. Your liver, kidneys, digestive tract, skin, and even your lungs work 24/7 to remove waste and harmful substances. What you can do is support these systems with the right nutrition. In today's video, we'll explore 3 powerful and natural drinks that can help cleanse your body, support your liver, improve digestion, and leave you feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized. These aren't just trendy hacks. They're backed by biology and centuries of traditional wisdom. Let's dive into the first one. 1. Warm lemon water, liver activator and digestive primer. Let's begin with a simple yet powerful drink. Warm lemon water. Although it's often overlooked, this drink sets off a chain reaction in your body that supports your liver, kidneys, and digestive system in remarkable ways. When you drink warm lemon water first thing in the morning, before eating anything, you're essentially waking up your internal organs in the gentlest and most supportive way. The citric acid in lemon stimulates the liver to produce bile, a fluid essential for breaking down fats and removing fat-soluble toxins such as old hormones, pesticides, and cholesterol byproducts. At the same time, lemon water enhances your stomach's production of hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes, preparing your body to digest food more efficiently and absorb nutrients more effectively. But that's not all. Lemon water acts as a mild natural diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out urea, uric acid, and other waste compounds through urine. It also contains high levels of vitamin C, a crucial antioxidant that supports Phase 1 and Phase 2 liver detoxification, helping convert toxic substances into less harmful forms and eliminating them through the bile or urine. Another benefit lies in its effect on bowel movements. The warmth of the water, combined with the acidity of the lemon, stimulates the gastrocolic reflex, gently encouraging the colon to eliminate waste, which can reduce bloating and promote regularity. Drinking warm lemon water can also help your skin. By supporting the liver and improving hydration, it promotes clearer, brighter skin from within. And while lemon is acidic outside the body, it becomes alkaline once metabolized, helping maintain a balanced pH in your bloodstream. A critical component of detox. For best results, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm, not hot, water and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes before eating breakfast. This simple habit can prime your entire digestive system and support your body's natural detox pathways all day long. 2. Green Detox Smoothie, Cellular Cleanse and Gut Reset. Our second drink is a powerhouse of cellular cleansing, the Green Detox Smoothie. This isn't just a trendy green juice. It's a strategically formulated blend of ingredients that work together to detoxify your blood, cleanse your gut, support your liver, and even boost your brain. Each ingredient plays a distinct role in supporting detoxification on a deep cellular level. We start with leafy greens, like spinach or kale, which are rich in chlorophyll, magnesium, and antioxidants. Chlorophyll binds to heavy metals and toxins such as lead, mercury, and pesticides, helping your body excrete them through the liver and colon. Magnesium, meanwhile, supports over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, many of which are involved in energy production and detoxification. Next, we add cucumber. With its 95% water content, cucumber is deeply hydrating and supports your kidneys and lymphatic system, the drainage system of the body. Cucumber also contains silica and caffeic acid, which reduce water retention and inflammation. Green apple is our next ingredient, not just for taste, but for its powerful detox fiber, pectin. Pectin is a soluble fiber that binds to toxins, heavy metals, and excess cholesterol in the gut. It forms a gel-like substance that helps sweep your intestines clean and prevent the reabsorption of toxins into the bloodstream. Then comes ginger, a root known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and liver-supportive properties. Ginger increases circulation, stimulates bile production, and improves gastric emptying, all of which support more efficient digestion and toxin elimination. It's especially helpful if you suffer from bloating, gas, or nausea. We finish the smoothie with chia seeds. When soaked in water, chia seeds form a gel rich in soluble fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. This gel binds to toxins in the digestive tract, regulates blood sugar levels, and supports the regular movement of the colon. The omega-3s also help reduce inflammation in the liver and gut, further supporting detox at the cellular level. This smoothie floods your body with fiber, hydration, antioxidants, and cleansing phytonutrients. It helps clean the blood, flushes the lymphatic system, clears the skin, and supports gut health, all in one glass. To make it, blend a handful of spinach, half a cucumber, 1 green apple, a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 cup of water or coconut water. Drink it mid-morning or as a light lunch to give your detox systems a natural reset. 3. Dandelion root tea. Deep liver cleanse and skin detoxifier. Our final drink is a true herbal medicine, dandelion root tea. While many people see dandelions as weeds, herbalists and scientists recognize dandelion root as one of the most effective liver-supporting herbs available. And when it comes to detoxification, the liver is your body's primary filter, making this tea a powerful tool. Dandelion root works by stimulating both phases of liver detox. In phase 1, the liver uses enzymes to break down toxins into reactive intermediates. These byproducts can actually be more harmful than the original toxin. That's why phase 2 is so important. It involves conjugating these compounds with molecules like glutathione so they can be safely eliminated. Dandelion root has been shown to enhance the activity of enzymes involved in this second phase, ensuring toxins don't get stuck in your system. The tea also increases bile flow from the liver and gallbladder, helping break down fats and carry waste out through the intestines. Improved bile flow not only aids digestion, but also helps remove cholesterol, old hormones, and fat-soluble toxins. As a natural diuretic, dandelion root increases urine production, helping your kidneys flush out excess water, uric acid, and waste. Unlike pharmaceutical diuretics, it does this without depleting potassium, which is essential for heart and nerve function. Another benefit lies in its fiber content, especially inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome supports immune function, reduces inflammation, and improves your body's ability to process toxins. Over time, regular use of dandelion root tea can improve skin clarity, reduce acne, support hormone balance, and boost overall energy by lightening the toxic load on your liver. It may also help manage blood sugar and cholesterol levels. To use it, brew 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and sip slowly. Start with 1 cup per day and increase gradually. The best times to drink dandelion tea are after meals or before bed, when the liver is most active in detox and repair. So, there you have it. 3 powerful natural drinks that support your body's detoxification systems from the inside out. Warm lemon water activates your liver and digestion. The green smoothie helps cleanse your gut, blood, and lymphatic system. And dandelion root tea supports deep liver detox and kidney purification. Instead of following harsh cleanses or starving your body, focus on nourishing it. These drinks are safe, effective, and easy to integrate into your daily life. Start with just 1 drink a day and watch how your energy, skin, digestion, and mood begin to improve. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-based natural health tips.